Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of What's Inside, and today's video is gonna be dedicated to the ball bearing. Yeah, I'm talking about the one used in your spinner. Because ball bearings are doing their great while providing such a smooth ride between moving parts of not only spinner but of any assembly, just because of its smart concept and high precision. And I think such a component needs a dedicated video, not only because of its uses I just told, but also because I need a content. So keeping everything back, in this video we are gonna discuss about roller type ball bearings, what's inside it, why do we exactly need to use them, and how could we. So let's find these answers. So before scanning any ball bearing to look inside, let's just try to understand how any bearing eliminates friction while offering such a smooth ride. So what do you think? What does the bearing do to reduce that friction? Using a lubricant between both parts? No, obviously not. Actually, its mechanism is just like used in our roller skates. Yeah, using a rolling element between them. Now we just need to make this mechanism work in circular infinite path, and for that just head towards the bearing. So in the main components of bearing, firstly outer race comes into picture. This is actually used to make bearings grab inside the pocket made on main body of your assembly. In short, it is not moving in general cases. Subsequently comes the part named inner race, which holds your shaft while grabbing it precisely. And then the real magic is in between them. You can notice that these small grooves made on either outer and inner race creates a perfect way for ball to travel, and this is exactly what they do. Just a series of spherical ball is made travel in between them with a special taken care of not missing any ball from its place, or getting all the balls on the one side and making your bearing stop working. And how do we do this? Is using a special cage like structure which will help making all the balls held in their position tightly. And that's it, this is everything about bearing, except it's sealed, which helps bearing to be safe from external threats. Are you? Okay, see. At least every bearing uses a solid lubricant to achieve more efficiency. But if we just make it open to air, then dust particle gets mixed with it, and everybody knows how dust particle and oil mixture looks like. And yeah, this mixture does the opposite while reducing the efficiency. So we need to use that seal from both sides, where bearing standard code and the brand name is printed as well. Now just assemble it and enjoy your spinner. Whereby using similar kind of concept used in ball bearings, not only rotary but linear reciprocating and axial load handling bearings can work as well, and they need another video. And this is all for this video. We just learned about a normal ball bearing, and if you want to know about one-way bearings which runs only in one direction and locks for the another, then it will appear in the end screen. You can just click there and watch. And if you are watching this video right after I uploaded, then chill bro, what's inside video takes a lot of time. Just hit that bell icon to get notified for that video, and if you can't see any, then press the subscribe button and then the bell icon, but bell icon is must. To be continued.